Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand the difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. These topics are under CBSE Standard 10 syllabus from the chapter Carbon and its Compound. Here the saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which have carbon-carbon single bonded molecules. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are carbon-carbon double bonded molecules and carbon-carbon triple bonded molecules. So these two are termed as unsaturated hydrocarbons, whereas here carbon-carbon single bond molecules are termed as saturated one. Now single covalent bonds, they are saturated hydrocarbons. All the four valencies are occupied by hydrogen. If we will see in terms of methane or in ethane, where we can see easily carbon-carbon single bond, then in this all the four valencies are occupied by hydrogen. They are saturated, they are stable, because all these four valencies are satisfied with three different hydrogen atoms here. So they are saturated. And there is a non-availability of electrons because there is no more electron left with carbon. Carbon has 4 electrons in L shell. To fill L shell, it required 4 more electrons, and that 4 electrons it will share with 4 other hydrogen atom, or here it will form a single bond with another carbon atom and it will form ethane. If it is forming with hydrogen, then it will become CH4 and it is methane. So in either of the case, in all the alkanes where it is carbon-carbon single bond, there is non-availability of electrons because all the valency of carbons are well occupied by other atoms. Now they are less reactive. Obviously, because there is no more electron left, they are stable. Their 4 covalent bonds are stable, so they are less reactive. They will undergo substitution reaction only. Now what is the meaning of substitution? Substitution means you are taking out one and putting another. That is the meaning of substitution. For example, if there is one hydrogen here, then first you have to take out this hydrogen and then only you can place another atom, for example Cl here. So this alkanes can only undergo substitution reaction because it's all valencies are completely filled by hydrogen atoms. If you want to add any other atom, then you have to take out one hydrogen atom and you can place another atom. So that means it will undergo substitution reaction only. Now here unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated means which are not saturated, which are not stable. So they are double and triple covalent bonds molecule. All the 4 valencies are not occupied by hydrogen. If we will see the structure, then these are the double bonded hydrocarbon, and in this there are only 4 hydrogen, and in case of alkane there will be 6 hydrogen. Here 4 hydrogens are there, and that's why they are sharing double bond with each other. So here all the 4 valencies are not occupied by hydrogen. Availability of electrons. Yes, this is double bond and there is availability of electron. If you will give some excess hydrogen to this, then it will readily form single bond and one hydrogen will attach here. So it will undergo addition reaction. Addition means simply we are adding atoms. You don't need to take out any other atom. Once it will undergo addition reaction, both the carbon will take one hydrogen, and here you do not need to take out any other atom because it is already lacking by one hydrogen, and that's why they are very reactive. Whenever they are undergoing any addition reaction, readily it will accept other atoms because it is lacking in its valencies. Its valency is not completely filled. Whenever any atoms valencies are not completely fulfilled, then it is very reactive and it will readily undergo the addition reaction. Here it's all the valencies are completely satisfied. So this hydrocarbons are stable, whereas double bonded and triple bonded hydrocarbons are reactive. They are not stable. So that's why they will undergo addition reaction, and this hydrocarbons will undergo substitution reaction. So under saturated hydrocarbons, the alkane series will come, and under unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkene and alkyne will come. Now among alkene and alkyne, alkynes are reactive compared to alkene, because in alkyne there are triple bond and here there is double bond. So these compounds are reactive compared to this compound. These both are reactive, but alkynes are reactive compared to double bonded compounds, because here they are lacking with more hydrogen, whereas here they are lacking with only one hydrogen. As the deficiency is more, the compound will become more reactive. So in that case, alkynes are more reactive compared to alkenes.